How can you use Wix for dropshipping? I'm going to show you how you can easily use Wix for dropshipping. With Wix's end-to-end platform, you can start building your website, connect to dropshipping suppliers, and manage products and orders from a single administration interface. First, identify a niche by researching trending products and analyzing market demand. You can use tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers to validate your ideas and ensure profitability and low competition. Also use Wix's website builder to create an e-commerce site or online store with the right tools for dropshipping automatically built in. No coding is required, and Wix's interactive platform will walk you through the process and give you the ability to customize everything to your preferences. Additionally, built-in AI tools can automatically generate text for product descriptions, FAQ pages, email newsletters, social posts, and more. Wix's modelless marketplace connects you with thousands of vetted dropshipping suppliers who deliver high-quality products and reliably fulfill orders. Now select your product assortment and import the items to your Wix website. Customize the product pages, including the product descriptions, to be unique, engaging, and reflect your brand voice. Next, add lifestyle images to supplement or replace the standard catalog photos. Pricing and inventory are automatically updated to reflect the supplier's latest information and displayed on your pages. Then, establish a baseline price markup formula based on your supplier's prices so you can see how much you will earn on each product before launching it for sale. As mentioned earlier, remember to factor in your costs, including overhead for fulfillment fees, marketing, and customer service. After that, set up Wix Payment to transact orders and accept payments online via credit and debit cards, digital wallets, and buy now, pay later solutions. Once launched, you can review and track orders via the Wix dashboard. Follow up with suppliers to ensure they are fulfilling orders and obtain tracking numbers so you can monitor estimated delivery dates.